to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning silver 2016 Nissan Navara ST. Starting off at the front, you've got that really iconic Nissan Navara front. It is the more updated front as well. Now you do get a lovely blacked out Nissan badging right in the middle there, with all of your blacked out surroundings for your front grille as well. Spoke bonnet protector fitted on the front there as well. So what that's going to do is help deflect any major stone chips along the front of your bonnet and help deflect them from actually hitting your windscreen as well. Coming around to our headlight, now we do have the genuine Nissan Navara headlight surrounds as well fitted to this model, with the projector globe in there as well. It'll give you a nice clear beam of light with a really nice cut-off point as well. Fog lights down the bottom as well with that plastic surround. Coming around the driver's side and stopping at our first alloy wheel. Really good condition on this wheel, no major marks that I can point out to you. Heaps of tread on that tyre as well, and as you can probably tell, there is a lift kit happening in there as well. Indicator is built into that side fender there as well, gives everyone a clear view of whether you are hoping to indicate. Side mirrors and door handles have been blacked out in the black plastic. Now, being that it is a work ute, probably a good idea, as they'll be a lot cheaper to replace if they do get damaged at all. Opening up and having a look on the inside. Really nice cloth seats here with very minimal wear on the bolsters. Carpets are all in really good condition, and you do have your genuine rubber mats, and then your scuff plates, again, very minimal wear on that as well. Even on the door, where we do tend to get lazy and kick them open, minimal wear there as well. So the previous owner has definitely looked after their car. Now, one thing you will notice is that your back windows are darker than your front windows. That is because you have privacy glass on the back windows. We can tint the front windows to be a very close match and put a heat shield on the back as well for you, at an additional cost of course, but definitely well worth it to get the UV protection and the heat reduction as well. Coming down to our second alloy wheel, again, really good condition on this wheel, just a couple of superficial scratches here and there, and again, plenty of tread on that tyre. Now you do have the blacked out sports bar on the back there as well. Obviously, if you did want to lean anything up against that, it's going to help stop any damage onto the actual cabin and the paintwork of the car. Now again, apologies for the bit of dust and dirt that is on the car. We've had a lot of very dusty rain over the last few days. You do get the blacked out Nissan badging on the back, and otherwise all other badging has been stripped. Reversing camera is just up in there next to the handle there, and then you do have the genuine Nissan Towbar down the bottom there. Rear step as well, that again just makes it nice and easy if you did need to climb in and just grab something out of the top. Now, one thing I love about Nissan's idea is that they've got a little lip on their trays that does act as a bit of a handle to make it nice and easy to get that tub open and closed. Tub liner fitted in the back there, that's going to keep everything from making a lot of noise in the back. Obviously, metal on metal is not a very appealing sound, and it will also help to protect the paintwork inside there. Do have the soft tonneau cover fitted as well, and that does just come and sit over that edge as well. Again, apologies for the dirt and a couple of puddles in there. Working our way around the passenger side and stopping at our third alloy wheel. Again, really good condition, just a couple of superficial scratches here and there, and plenty of tread on that tyre there too. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side as well. That is the safe side of the vehicle, being that it is on the curb side as well. Working our way down, paintwork does present really well on this side as well. Not much that I can really point out. And then onto that fourth alloy wheel. Really good condition again, and plenty of tread on that tyre. So really good condition on the paintwork, excellent wheels, and four really good tyres as well. So what we'll do now is pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Right, guys, looking under the bonnet now, we've got a 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo diesel motor with a 6-speed manual gearbox. On the safety side of things, you've got a 5-star ANCAP Safety rating with 7 airbags throughout. And with this engine, you'll produce 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque. Being a diesel, you do have an 80 litre capacity tank. Obviously, running this car on diesel, you'll see an average of about 6.5 litres per 100 kilometres and an average distance of 1,231 kilometres to a tank, but that does depend on anything you're towing, any weight in the car, and how you do drive it as well. Alright guys, inside the Navara now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got all 4 of your power window controls, with your driver's side being automatic up and down as well. All the others are just normal power windows. Just above that you have your central locking, and then your window lock as well. So if anyone on the back's getting annoying playing with the windows, you can just lock them out. Just above from that you do have your power mirror controls, so just a little toggle, and then you can move the little toggle to where you want the mirror to be. Just behind our steering wheel here we do have our traction control on and off button, our fuel cap release, and a handy little switch that does open up the window in the very back of the cabin as well. Just above from that you do have your trip reset and your brightness controls for your cluster. On the right hand stalk you have your headlight controls just on and off, and you do have an automatic headlight function as well, indicators left and right, fog lights on and off, and your high beams as well. Left hand stalk you have all of your washer and wiper controls for the front as well. On the steering wheel itself, very comfortable steering wheel to hold. All of your cruise control settings are on the right hand side with your Bluetooth answer and reject and your voice control, and then on the left hand side you have all of your entertainment settings, so your source, a couple of buttons for your center screen in your cluster so you can see things like what radio station you're on, if there's any warnings for the car, just some settings, range until empty, average speed, all of that sort of stuff. And then you have your volume controls as well for your entertainment system just down the bottom. Moving into the center display, now you do have your AM FM radio, CD, USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio as well in there. Just with the hard buttons, nice and easy to use, and your reverse camera comes up in there as well. So just like so, really nice clear display with the lines to help guide you in as well. Just below that you have your climate control settings, so just nice easy little dials as well, so nice and easy to use there. And then just below that you have a 12-volt socket, your rear diff lock and your 4-wheel drive selector. So you have 2-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low. Bit of storage down the bottom here, so probably where you'd put your phone, USB and AUX inputs, and then your manual shifter. So really nice, easy gears as well to use. You do have the iDrive throttle controller just mounted down the bottom there as well, so you can change how the car does idle for you as well. A few blank buttons and 2 cup holders with your hard handbrake, and then inside the center console plenty of storage room and a 12-volt socket as well with a little cover. Just get my camera person to pan around a little bit, show you the condition of the interior and how it looks, then we'll jump outside. Guys, that wraps up our walk around video on this 2016 Nissan Navara in silver. Hope it's giving you some insight as to why this is the right car for you and really helped you make the right decision as well in this car buying experience. A couple things before I go, this car does qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan. What that will give you is another 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometres of cover on 181 parts in the car, across another 5 years after your new car warranty as well. Please ask us about that one, it comes with loads more benefits for you as well. One last thing, please go check out our Google reviews sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. You can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership, the right kind of people, and buying an excellent quality car as well. Number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby and thanks for watching.